We are pleased to show you the 2016 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning, compass, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Come take a test drive today.